Hi, Blake here from 1517 Music to share another song with you. This is What Child Is This? This has got to be one of my favorite Christmas hymns, if not one of my favorite hymns, period. I love the way that this song tells the story of Jesus's life, both that it talks about his birth and also his death on the cross. And sometimes we can separate those two things, the little baby in the manger to Good Friday, and they become really separate perhaps in our minds, but they are so intimately connected, and I love the way that this hymn draws them both together. It's played in E minor, and I've got the interlude is a E minor to an E minor major 7, so you can see here just a small change, but I love the tension that it creates, and in light of the lyrics that we're singing. So I'm going to sing for you the first verse, and then if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Thanks. What child is this who lay to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping, whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping? This is Christ the King, whom shepherds guide and angels sing. Haste, haste to bring him love, the babe, the Son of Man. That's it. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below, and you can find a whole host of other resources for this song and others at 1517.org/music. Thanks.